Yes, Bajah.
Yeah. Dream team.
Dream team.
Yeah, represent.
Big up the dream team, clean team.
Real team.
They are representing Ocho. Ocho. Yeah. The big man Oliver.
Yes, sir. Every time.
Yeah.
Them man that make it possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them man are the real man.
And I
The true big man is you.
get socialized.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Stood out to me, and I'm not saying that he's any different from anyone else, was Cove. You know, because he has his condition, and he's there working, and you can see that he appreciates having this thing to do, you know. And but I always watch him, and I always watch his effort. You know, he's really into it, whatever he's doing. You know.
He's really passionate and he wants to learn. I'm always talk say, this is what I want to do, you know, I want to flash. Relax, you know. So him come with that drive, want to learn. So you know, that's what make him stand out. You know, because he want to learn from the children.
Bajah's helping.
Bajah helping.
All the credit goes to the cameraman.
Bajah the cameraman.
Teaching and building at the same time. Because I'm sure at the end of the day, some of these guys can go out and say, look, I have a skill, I can lay this and I can put that together, you know. So that's a blessing. And that's one of the things that they're missing. Exposure to do something. You know? And that's the thing that motivates me, you know, because I look at myself and I say, I'm in a much better position than most of the people that you highlight. But the thing is that I'm no different and I'm no better than them. It's just that I was lucky enough to get a chance to lead. That's the only difference between me and the people that you're helping. So that's why I couldn't turn my back, you know. I'm not in the position to do what you're doing. But I know the people that you're helping is just a very slim margin that determines that I'm here as opposed to there. So I couldn't stop watching the program.
Another thing I thought of, like how the dream team members, you know, how did they came together? You know, but you say it's just them just saying, hey, I was on a volunteer.
Because they're born and grow in the community. We all grow up together. You know, so whenever you're doing a little work in an area, you know, people like to come and give a little help, you know, because they don't know. You can have a little fight, food, run shows, you know. It's a little thing to take your mind off because most people is not working in Trenchtown.
To the dream team, and success to the dream team in the future and coming back soon. Salute.
Cheers. Dream team, one team. One team.
This is pretty good.
Well, it's really amazing. Never thought that I'll be here right now because of the work that we put out. It's really an accomplishment, you know. You know that you put in something and put in some work and someone out there can see it and appreciate it. I mean, you're doing something, but it's encouraging. So that's why I can go back and do more.
Yes.
You know, continue. Do sometimes it may rough with the violence now that I can, but we're still determined to say, boy,
keep pushing on.
Yeah.
Out of this one can come good.
Yeah.
That's what
Keep fight the fight. Continue
a blessing.
Yeah.
Dream team,
One
we are here representing
Yeah.
all dream team and all the ladies. Trenchtown,
Yeah.
big up yourself.
Representing. You know. So everywhere we go, we leave a footstep. You know, representing. See my Oliver and his wife. You know, they're representing for the dream team and Trenchtown.
Yeah, man.
You know. So it's a blessing.
We'll be back. We'll always be a part of the dream team journey. And I know, you know, we don't get our name on the program because we donate in the background.
Yeah, so it's unknown.
World scene,
Yeah,
live and direct.
yeah. So the world is seeing everything now.
Plan was actually to be able to come and visit.
Yeah,
But you know, things
Sure.
just kind of go away. But that was our plan.
yeah.
I wanted to be able to
Walk around.
be able to, when you know, I see everybody was to say hero.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Looking forward to that.
So
Yeah.
I was like, hey, I know everybody's name. You know.
yeah,
You can let them know, you know.
yeah. Correct.
We had some business to take care of, and that kind of took a lot of our time. But
Yeah,
if it wasn't for that, I would probably try to assemble the entire team and have like a function in one of these hotel rooms or something, you know, where they get served food and access to the pool and
yeah,
all the amenities and just have a good time, you know.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
a little payback because they're doing stuff that I can't do, you know. I'm not available physically to do it. But if this is how I can help, this is how I help, you know.
Yeah.
But we'll put something together. And,
Yeah. You know,
Carla and I will definitely.
yeah. Everything in time. You know, nothing at all need time. That is the main thing is time, and everything will definitely work out as it's supposed to. You know, so this is just the first stepping stone.
Yes, sir.
It's the first stepping stone. I will definitely continue. And what you're doing is more encouraging us now to continue the good
That
work.
was the plan, man.
Yeah,
I always think of the dream team as far as making sure that the root is firmly planted in the soil. And I see the need that the people that you're directly impacting, you know. But I also know that I have to help strengthen the root. And like you're saying, I feel like I'm doing that because you said no, you're encouraged to continue to do what it is that you're doing.
yeah.
So that just tells me that me and Carla, we're hitting the mark.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely hit the bullseye.
And there is no obligation here, there is no debt to repay. This is just straight from the heart because to me it's not a gift, a charge, because it's earned. You know, what you've done for people. I remember there was a program when this fella came over and he said, I hadn't eaten like in 2 days or 3 days.
Yeah,
And
I was
Kino
really
said,
bad.
man, don't ever let that happen again. You come over here every day and come get some food. Because I know what it's like to be hungry.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I spent my early years being hungry. I know how to be hungry. You know what I'm saying? So I could feel his pain. And when Kino said, look, we can't have this. And then it branched from there where he's from that start cooking for the elderly
Yeah.
and take the food around to them. Unbelievable, man. I watch it and I'm moved. And the people that donate their money, they can see exactly where it's going to.
Yeah.
It's just a wonderful thing.
Yeah. Everything is transparent, you know.
Yeah, I know I'm not the only one that feels the way I you know, the way I feel. I know the people that it impact us as well as it has impacted me. They have proved it by donating and keep the program going.
Yeah. Definitely, man. Definitely. You know?
God bless you, Kino, and the Dream Team for what you're doing.
God bless you.
Yeah.
You know.
And your dream team.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you so
One
much.
team.
I was watching this program some time ago, and I'm not knocking any organization because you know they set up the way they have to set up, I assume.
Yeah.
And they were talking about how much of the funds go to the intended recipient when it goes to certain charity, and I was surprised as to how small it is.
Yeah.
But when it's you. When it's the dream team that gets it, whoever is contributing the funds know exactly what their funds is. Because they see.
They see.
And,
Everything go to them.
You have a visual. And your visual is your receipt as to, look, this is what you wanted. This is exactly what it's going to. And that's just powerful. It's a very good thing.
Yeah, man, powerful, man. Well said, man. You know, well said. Because it's only the right way to do it, because whatever you said, anything you say, because it's been controlled by them. We just the engine, and they just fueling it. You know, so we just putting out the work. So they say send 100 for Bajah. He's gonna get the 100 because this is what they said.
Right now, me and Carla, we're in the process of buying a home in Jamaica, so we can visit whenever we want and not have to worry about the COVID and the resorts and stuff. I mean, I'm not saying that we're going to give up coming to the resort, because it's kind of like a nice getaway. Not having to do anything and get it done for you. But there are a couple of places I'm looking at that I really like, and they need some work. To make it to my specs, you know. And the only person I can think of to do it is Bajah. You know, and I know I'm not the only person that feel like that. You know, you feel that the trust is there. And the work, you can see the work gonna get done, you know? So that's another thing that's, you know, a possibility that's gonna happen, that I probably will most likely have him come back and do some work, you know, to fix up a place or expand on it. And that's probably gonna happen within the next 6 to 8 months, you know. That's why we're here originally, and because we're already in this area, that's why I booked to host you guys here. And, get your mind off Trenchtown for a little bit. Send you back more motivated and stronger.
God is definitely happening right now. And I'm feeling driven right now, you know. Encouraging.
When you say on one of the program that, you know, I'm missing opportunities to go and work someplace else because this is so important to me. You know what that takes? That you're not on a particular pay scale where you know, okay, this month or this weekend I'm gonna get this, and that's not what you're focusing on. You're focusing on helping people. I don't like the way this lady is living with her children. I don't like the way this man is living with his disability. And that's more important than this job. Let me come over here and so if you're doing that and you're hitting people here, don't be surprised when somebody reach out to you, because this is not like a mystery. What's going on, you send it out, it's coming back to you.
True.
That's all it is.
It's what you put out in the universe.
You put it out, you get it.
Come back.
If you get up in the morning and you go out and you do bad stuff, and I don't have to tell you what the bad stuff is, don't be surprised if something bad happened to you. You can get shot, killed, or spend time in prison. Why? Because that's the energy you're putting out. You're putting that out. So that's what's coming back to you. So when you make somebody who is uncomfortable and make them comfortable, and you take someone with no hope and give them hope, what do you think is going to come back to you?
Same thing. The laws of attraction, you know.
When you hear these things when you're young, and you know, sometimes you don't get to really experience it. Well, there is no clearer way you can experience it than you're experiencing it now. You and Kino send out good vibes, come right back to you.
So this is it.
This is a part of it.
This is a part of it.
This is just a part of it. This is not all of it.
There's more to come.
There's more to come, man. Not necessarily from me. There will be more from me, but you know, you keep doing it.
Same energy
it comes back.
You get like that.
Whatever you work for, you will.
It's sure to get it.
I tried looking for you. I asked around.
I'm so worried.
Is that what you're doing? How you doing that? Hello.
I show you where all the food is, man.
And I have to walk too far for my food.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Irish cafe.
Coffee or tea in the morning, this is it. This is one of the spots.
Flash water shop.
I say there's another pool over that side, one of three.
Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
There's a large pool in the middle there with a swim up bar in the middle. Alright? So when you're ready, you drive.
Yeah.
Ready, you can go by there and
Yeah.
What time they close the pool at night?
you can go there anytime you want.
Yeah.
That's it.
But they got your turn trial?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that, man. You can go like a dolphin, go dive in this one, then you go dive in that one. Please do.
Come once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Why are you pushing? That boy is seated. Whole lot more. Guys, you'll be almost back where you were. Here. Alright. That's our nightclub. That's the way to our nightclub. Otherwise called Bling.
We're upstairs.
Upstairs?
Bling, yes.
Hey, I'm going out tonight. You just
So it says on tonight?
No, not really. Not really tonight.
Oh, not tonight.
Not on tonight. Well, this is our treasure chest. That's the gift shop. Well,
Yeah.
you need to run, you can walk through and see what's
They
inside.
don't have the right side shooter.
Right?
Yeah. I will check it out.
Alright, that's our entertainment center, the games arena. There it is. You can play a little pool game, play some table tennis, and other games arranged by the coordinators, alright?
Okay.
Yes. That's the terrace. Look at it. Real cool. That's where all the activities take place, alright?
Yeah, in that little spot there.
That's cool. There's a couple.
Yes, Bajah.
Yeah. Dream team.
Dream team.
Yeah, represent.
Big up the dream team, clean team.
Real team.
They are representing Ocho. Ocho.
Yeah.
The big man Oliver.
Yes, sir.
Every time.
Yeah.
Them man that make it possible.
Yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Them man are the real man.
And I want our kids to socialize. My kids are orange, and
Yeah.
you're like, yeah. It's big problems, and you're like, oh, you don't know how to play well with others. You don't know how to do anything. It's tough. And that's like my brother is cute and I let him
Cheers.
smart and he it's like yeah. He's like I can't like be
Real already.
yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.